Hi everyone, I'm Tina. Today I would like to share my homework 2 with you. I will focus on 5 main tasks. First, it requires connecting Flask with MySQL, and the application must be able to edit data to the MySQL database. Next, we need to draw an ER diagram to explain the relationship among 3 tables, and ensure that they involve at least one join operation. Finally, we must implement full CRUD functionality in the project. Continuing from homework 1, we have actually already completed the tasks of connecting Flask with MySQL and added data to the database. We achieve this by importing from Flask MySQL DB import MySQL, creating a connection in the root function using MySQL connection circuit, and executing SQL commands. We also added new messages through the main root, and both user registration and edit commands features successfully insert data into the database. Currently, the database contains 3 tables. The ER diagram is shown below. The rectangular boxes, messages, users, and commands represent our core entities, which correspond to main user posts, registered users, and replies to posts, respectively. The ovals represent the attribute of each entity, which is the columns in each table. Underlined attributes indicate primary keys, which are unique identifiers that never duplicate. Attributes marked with FK are foreign keys, which reference specific fields in other tables. We can understand the relationships between entities by connecting lines. One user can create multiple messages. One message can have multiple commands. One user can also post multiple commands. Therefore, these are all one-to-many relationships. Now, let's look at how the CRUD operations are implemented. Create. Users can register account, post new messages, and edit replies, all of which insert data into the tables. Read. Displaying messages, replies, login authentication, and user profile pages all involve select statements that fetch and display data from the database. Update. The edit profile features allows users to update their information in the database. Delete. Users can delete their own messages, which also remove the corresponding records from the database. The join application used to combine information from different tables appear in the read part of the system. For example, the main root code, you can see statements like join users on messages, user ID, and join users on commands, user ID, which use inner join to retrieve usernames from the users table. With all these features, our message board now fully meets the objectives of homework 2. We have successfully progressed from simple connecting Flask and MySQL to implementing complete CRUD functionality. Alright, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.